Okay, we're recording.
Oh, you gotta wait now. Go ahead.
Okay.
Junior.
Come on.
From Mom and Grandma? That's not how you put it though. You put Grandma.
Merry Christmas.
To hang outside of our door? It's a
Wind chime.
it's a bag for crack.
Yes.
Oh, mine.
Oh yeah, wind chime.
I got a frog too.
Alright, move on to this one.
Oh, your phone's ringing. Okay. Yeah, cool.
Got a frog too.
Hey.
Okay. I got a pretty pink and red box. Oh yes.
I knew it.
I got me some lingerie.
Victoria's Secret.
Who is it from?
And some pajamas.
How was this son?
Hey son, you're not doing a good job recording, fool. Those are from Devin.